A region lock on Ibotta usually appears when the app detects that your current location doesn't match the supported country or the account's original setup region. By the end, you'll know why the region lock happens, what you can actually fix on your end, and when the restriction cannot be bypassed at all. First, a region lock is not a normal login error. It means the service is limiting access based on geography rules. In most cases, it shows up when someone tries to use the app while traveling, using a VPN, or setting up an account in a country where the service isn't supported. The key thing to understand is that this restriction is enforced at the account and device level, not just the app screen. That's why reinstalling the app usually doesn't change anything. Now, start with the simplest check. Turn off any VPN or proxy service immediately. Region systems are designed to detect routing changes, and even background VPN usage can trigger a lock. After that, restart your phone and reopen the app using a normal mobile data connection instead of Wi-Fi. Next, check your account email and in-app notifications. If the region lock is active, there is often a message explaining that your account is outside the supported area or needs verification. That message tells you whether you're dealing with a temporary detection issue or a permanent region restriction. If you recently traveled, make sure your login activity matches your current location. Frequent switching between countries or unusual login patterns can extend the restriction period because the system treats it as inconsistent behavior. If everything looks correct and the lock still shows, the next step is contacting support through the help center. Keep your message short. Include your account email, your current location, and a clear explanation that you believe the region flag is a mistake or related to travel. What you should not do is try to create a new account while the region lock is active. That usually makes things worse because it can link accounts through device or payment signals. The hard truth is that some region locks cannot be removed manually if the service is not supported in your country. In those cases, support will usually confirm that the account cannot be used in that region. To sum it up, a region lock is based on location rules, not app bugs. Turning off VPNs and stabilizing your connection is the first fix. And support contact is only useful when the account is actually eligible in your region. If you're stuck on this right now, start by removing VPN access and switching to mobile data before trying anything else. For more clear fixes on cashback app issues like this, subscribe for future breakdowns.